What up, guys? Last time you guys see me, my beard wasn't as big as much, I guess. Growing it all in, my hair wasn't as wild. Been off for a little bit, but I'm back. So I'm just gonna kind of take you on the day, go through the day, and see what it brings, what surprises. And of course, I got my cat over there. Girl calling the cat stupid. My phone broke. It's all broken, cracked, and falling apart and everything. So I can't take a picture of it right now, but I'll take a picture of it when I get my replacement in, so I can show you. And then
Chama Chada! I'm not Tiny Chama, and my name is Tiny Little Chama, and feed me all the time, Chada!
Why are you so mad, kitty? Bella. 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 About time? Give me that look. What's up, y'all? Bella. You just ate, huh? So now you kicking it? Garfield. Why you so shy? Why you coming? You just got beat up by the camera. So I'm kind of start getting ready for the day. All the lights are on. Turn those off. Open up these blinds. Excuse my hair. Damn. Handsome looking guy. So I got this new watch. It's a Fitbit Surge 2. Bella.
None of our volunteers caught on, and half the people they were looking at were guys. Now, you may be thinking, there's no way you'd fall for this if you were there. You would never miss something so often. But while you might be laughing at these guys, let's see if you can do it better. In just a minute, you'll get a chance to pick which cheerleader is actually a girl. Let's just hope your peripheral vision doesn't let you down like it did then. We've shown you a lot of different ways that
Kitty grill. Crazy ass hair. Wow. What do you say about this hair, Bella? Damn. I didn't know about all that reaction.